Are you preparing for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, but unsure what questions to practice? In this video, we'll show you the exact types of questions to focus on so you can pass with confidence. The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam includes multiple choice and multiple answer questions, with a mix of scenario-based and definition-based problems. Let's go through each type with examples. Scenario-based questions test your ability to choose the right AWS service for a real-world situation. In this case, AWS Lambda is the correct answer because it allows code execution in response to S3 events without managing servers. Definition-based questions check your AWS knowledge. For instance, Amazon RDS supports databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MariaDB, but not MongoDB or Cassandra. Billing-related questions test your understanding of AWS cost management tools. AWS Organizations is used to manage multiple AWS accounts and consolidate billing, making it the correct answer here. Security and compliance questions cover AWS infrastructure and best practices. Availability zones are designed for redundancy and are connected with low-latency networking for high availability. AWS Best Practices questions test your understanding of cloud architecture principles. Elasticity is a key concept in the AWS Well-Architected Framework that refers to a system's ability to automatically scale resources up or down in response to changes in demand. This ensures cost efficiency while maintaining performance. To succeed in the exam, practice with realistic AWS questions. Make sure your practice tests are up to date and closely match the real exam. Want more practice questions like these? Check out CertBoosters today, trusted by thousands of AWS learners to help you prepare and succeed. Don't forget to subscribe for more AWS exam tips. Good luck with your preparation.